If you've ever opened Lovable.dev and seen the message "Project Not Found," don't blame yourself. Today I'll show you the real reason and how to fix it. Many people think it's a prompt or account issue, but the truth is this. The problem comes from the browser you're using. Cache and cookies get cleared, and that's when you're redirected to project/not-found. Steps to fix this issue. Open your phone's settings. Go to Apps, then select Chrome. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache, then Clear Data. This will log you out of websites, but it will not delete your bookmarks. Open Chrome again, go to Lovable.dev, and log in. You'll see your projects again, and the Project Not Found issue will be gone. In short, Project Not Found is not your fault. It's a mobile browser issue. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to use Lovable.dev without stress. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone else. We'll continue learning AI and building powerful projects here.